Segi taking 3. W, rebound by. Tonis, pass to Mary taking 3. Yes sir, Mary. Welcome po pala sa ating Week 5 Season 2 Quarter Season 1 Papawis League. Game 1, Volante Moves versus Hayay. Number 23, no good, rebound by Gajan. Pass to Tones. Tones, pass to Basmayor. Pass to Neri. Wait, Neri looper shot, no good, rebound by Segi. Pass to Narte. 2 points, near Narte. Tones, pass to Gajan. So Tones. 15 seconds to shoot. Basmayor. 10 seconds to shoot. To Neri. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Yes sir. Neri. Peligro. Pass to Narte. Pass to Segi. Pass to Padre. Short cover. 2 points. Bonsur. Padre. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Tones. Pass to Betaysa. 15 seconds to shoot. Betaysa. Side step po. W. Lima by Padre. Pass to Segi. Pass to Narte. Foul. Foul by jersey number 19. Tones. First personal foul. First team foul of Volante Moves. Shooting 2. Here. Narte. First shot is good. Second shot. 2 out of 2 by Neil Narte. Basmayor pass to Gajan. Gajan steal by Padre. Pass to Narte again. Narte back to Maggie. Lima by Torres. 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 Pass to Basmayor taking 3. W. Lima by. Basmayor again. Basmayor pass to Gajan. 2 more. Michael. Gajan. 12-6 in favor of Volante Moves. To Padre. Padre. Block by Gajan. Padre again no good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Ball stays with. Ball stays with Hayay. Narte, pass to Segi. Pass to number 23. Lagi, lima by Padre. 2 balls, Bonsur Padre. To Tones. Tones making his move. Tones, lagi, lima by Padre again. Padre, pass to Narte. Narte, lagi. Lima by, number 23. Lagi, lima by Narte. 2 balls, here, Narte. 6 minutes and 56 seconds of the first quarter. Betaysa. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Tones taking 3. Lagi, lima by. Basmayor. Block. Basmayor again. Lagi, lima by number 23. Pass to Segi. Pass to number 23. 23. 2 points. Peligro. Deadlock all 12. 6 minutes and 22 seconds of the first quarter. The steal by Narte. Narte to the layup, 2 points. Steal. Narte. Change favor. 14-12 in favor of Hayay. Tones taking 3. Lagi, lima by. Gadya, hindi mo ba tayo sa? To Gadya, Toneri. Traveling violation. 5 minutes and 50 seconds of the first quarter. Pass to number 23 to Morris. Number 23, assist by Segi. Gadyan, Toneri, back to Gadyan. Gadyan to Morris. Michael. Gadyan. Pass to number 23. 23, 2 points. Number 23. Asombrado. 18-14. Standby for change 5. Standby. 3. Nugget. Ibabay peligro. Bullet pass to Segi. Out of bounds. Change 5 na po. Change 5. Change 5. Yung tubig po, nasa kabila. Yung tubig po pala, nasa kabila. Nasa kabila po yung tubig. Nasa kabila. Both teams, nasa kabila po yung tubig. Nasa kabila. Kadula, pass to Kenneth. Kenneth, pass to Catalino. Togi, bumabay peligro. Pass to Segi. Segi, pass to Ropinas. Patrick. Foul by jersey number 7, Catalino. First personal foul, second team foul of Bulademus. Ahero, pass to Segi, 7 seconds to shoot, Robin, shot number Nogi. Iba by Catalino. Pass to Hadula. What a pass to Kenneth Iyagi. Assist by Hadula. Kenneth White, HPD boy. Back to Benigla 14 seconds shoot. Out of bounds, ball goes to Bulademus. Number 17,